Your iPhone may seem fine, but if Roblox keeps freezing, it can stop your games and waste your time. This often happens due to app glitches, low memory, or an outdated iOS. In this video, I'll show you easy steps to fix Roblox freezing on your iPhone. Let's get it working again. Solution 1. Free up the iPhone storage. Now go to the Settings app on iPhone, then tap General. Next, tap iPhone Storage. Remove unwanted large files or unused apps from here. Tap on the app you want to remove. Then tap on Delete App. Finally, tap the Delete app again. If you still have the same issue, Solution 2. Check your software update. Open the Settings app once again. Then tap General. Next, tap Software Update. If you see Software Update is available, then update your iPhone software to fix this problem. And that's it. Your problem should be fixed now. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.